Hi gang, this is Strange RV Tours. We're down at Lake Mead at Echo Bay. We're gonna go down to where the boat ramp is and look down there, and then we're gonna make our way back up, and we're gonna take a tour of the RV park up here and see what all they have here. We're up on the north end of Lake Mead. The closest little town to us is Overton, Nevada. It is a very sunny 94 degrees today. Very beautiful day out here by the lake. We've got a nice cool wind blowing in off the water, so it doesn't appear to be too hot. If you ever come out here to Lake Mead, especially during the summer, make sure you bring plenty of water. Because we have hardly no humidity here, you don't realize how hot it is. You don't sweat as easily as you do in areas where there's a lot of humidity. So a lot of people end up getting heat stroke before they even realize they're overheated.
Dehydrated?
Dehydrated. This would be a great place to camp, wouldn't it? Want to see if this car floats?
No. No parking here to the water. Launch. Missions. I wonder if there's dry camping down there, if you're allowed that.
I don't know. I can't tell.
A lot of people down there, though.
Okay, we're going to head back up and we're going to go find the RV park and check it out. Wish you guys could see this beautiful lady sitting next to me in this swimsuit. It's for my enjoyment, not yours. We're getting ready to test our motorhome out. We've got it almost ready to go over the road. We're checking out some RV parks around Lake Mead to see if one of these may be a good place for us to come out for a weekend and try our motorhome out before we take it full-time over the road.
This launch ramp is closed. No water.
Here is the fish cleaning station.
That's pretty cool.
You see the lake in the background. There's some restrooms here. Got some fishermen coming in, getting ready to clean their fish, obviously. Lake Mead RV Village at Echo Bay. This is the check-in center for the RV Village.
Kind of windy up here on the mountain. Looks like they've got picnic tables. I doubt that they have hookups. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it. Maybe on the end. I don't know. We'll check it out. Okay, we're coming into the campground now. Here we go. Now I'm up through the sunroof so we can get a better view. But that's pretty cool. Pets on a leash. There is electricity in some. It's camp. That's the host. $20 a night. See, I see.
$10 for seniors.
Seniors get a discount. But no, I don't see any water yet. Or it's all dry camping so far. There's handicap. Cool. Ow. Yay. There's some water right there. But for just about anybody though. It wasn't on a campsite. There's little barbecue pits. Yeah. Very nice. Let's check out down here and see if they have hookups. There's some water there. And electric. I don't see it. I don't know. Yeah? Yeah, it is a generator. Hi. There's water. I don't see an electric. Still a gorgeous day. Pretty good. Yeah, I see generators. So. What's that? Basketball. Smells like somebody's cooking. One way. Pay attention. Sure. There you go. Here we go. Oh, that's like our old tent. Yeah. Down at the other end was okay. Neat. Okay. So down at the other side they have a little more water. Only saw like 2 spigots on this side. Did we go up the hill and look at the other ones? No. That's. Okay, RV check-in. Please check in the office after hour envelopes, key drop. So nightly is 1 through 34 is 30. Weekly, monthly rates. Okay. So there's 2 rates. And they're full hookups, looks like. Yep. Full hookups. Okay. 1 through 34 on this side. Yeah. These are a few trees. Cool. Okay. Doesn't we know we saw a dump station, but yeah. There we go. Yeah, there's some that have it, some don't, I guess. But yeah. Pretty cool. That's pretty. Recyclables. Got a little picnic area there. So people can have a get together. Something I like to do when we're in an RV park. Camping, hang around the fire pits. Somebody usually has a guitar. how much? 20?
Yes.
20 and then $10 for seniors. And there's a bathroom. It's got a barbecue. See tables. See water. Yeah, a little less up here because you don't have all you don't have water up here at all. Looks like.
Dry camping.
Yeah, dry camping. Bathrooms.
Dump station.
Oh yeah, dump station. So there's got to be water here. Yeah. There you go. Yeah, awesome. Clean water's down here. Yeah, okay, good. Good. That's Echo Bay and near Lake Mead in Nevada. This is Strange RV Tours. And come and see us. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy what we do. Different facilities. We'll be checking different things out. We're getting ready to take our RV out, and we're going to bring it out here, I hope, just to see how everything runs. We're still learning. And so thanks for watching. Subscribe.
And please hit the like button, and once you subscribe, hit the little bell. You'll get updates as to when our next videos are coming out. So thanks a lot, and have a nice week. Bye bye.
Bye guys.